I received this 7-in-1 USB charging hub from Plugable to try out and offer my thoughts and review. I was particularly interested in this product because having a somewhat recent model of a MacBook Air, I only have 2 USB-C ports on the side of my computer. With things like external hard drives, accessories to charge, and a DSLR camera to transfer content from, 2 ports is just not enough for all my needs. I first unpacked the contents of the box and noticed how well everything is packaged. Included are a USB-A to USB-C adapter to connect your laptop or desktop computer, a 2-piece power adapter, and the 7-port power hub itself. The hub can be used with a Windows, Mac OS, or Linux system, or it can act as a standalone power supply to charge up to 7 of your devices by simply connecting it to a power source. Finally, it can transfer data with any of the 7 super speed data transfer and power ports for USB 3.0 or USB-C laptops. The hub is well built and easy to set up, and is going to come in very handy for charging my devices and transferring data and content between each one. I hope this overview was helpful. Thanks for watching.